I had never imagined that China could look like this. Welcome to Hainan, a tropical paradise located in the southern part of the country, known as one of the cleanest and most eco-friendly islands in China. Hainan offers lush landscapes, modern infrastructure, and a rich cultural atmosphere. During our holiday, we explored the vibrant local night market, a place where both locals and tourists gather to taste traditional delicacies. Then came to the thrill, the glass bridge suspended in the heart of lush jungle Yanoda rainforest. We also visited Romance Park, where we witnessed the stunning performance of lights, music, and emotion. From the top of the city, the view was absolutely breathtaking. And of course, no trip to Hainan would be complete without seeing one of its most iconic landmarks, the Guanyan of Nanshan, a majestic statue with deep spiritual meaning for locals. Each of these attractions offered spectacular views, captivating history, and a deeper understanding of Chinese culture.
С 8 до 5 работает отельный гид.
We settled to our room. This is our bathroom and closet, and I like this coach and the view from the balcony is not so good. It's like a roof or something. It's 6 a.m. in China right now. This is why it's still dark. Do you hear the sound of birds? I love it.
We came to the local market and also to see the nightlife of China.
Here, fish are sold directly from water tanks. Locals believe the fresher the fish, the tastier it is. One purchased customers take the seafood to a nearby cafe where it's cooked on the spot. We choose our fish, watch it being prepared by the chef, and enjoyed it right there at the cafe.
Look of the day, it's called vacation look. And look at my earrings, I love it, it's so cute. So today is the second day of my vacation in China, and today we are going to visit some landmarks of the Hainan Island. I am so excited. This is truly beautiful place. Look at this view. It's this view from my hotel.
Romance Park, a spectacular journey through the culture and fantasy. Romance Park is one of the most popular cultural theme parks in Sanya, located on Hainan Island in southern China, built by the creators of the renowned Romance Park series. The park blends traditional Chinese heritage, ethnic performances, and modern entertainment into an unforgettable experience. The highlight of the park is the Sanya Guanguiging Eternal Love show and a grand theoretical performance that tell the story of Hainan's history, legends, and a diverse ethnic culture through dance, music, acrobatics, and 3D effects.
Oh my gosh, show was fantastic. That was amazing. I enjoyed the show so much. Oh my god. If you are going to visit Sanya, I strongly recommend you to watch this show. It's incredible. On my way to a glass bridge in China. It's one of the main landscape in China, so I am so excited to be there. So we're going to go there by bus.
Yanoda Rainforest, Hainan's tropical gem. Just 35 kilometers from Sanya, Yanoda Rainforest is a lush eco-park full of waterfalls, tropical plants, and fresh mountain air. Explore scenic trails, zip line through the jungle, or discover local ethnic culture. Yanoda means friendship. You will feel it in every step of the rainforest paradise.
Ancak otursun. We are in the very beautiful park, and you can see the city Sanyan from the top of the mountain, and the view is fantastic. We are in Hainan. It's one of the main landmarks in China. So look at this statue. It's one of the tallest statue in the world. It's even taller than the Statue of Liberty.
Guanyan of Nanshan is the main attraction of Sanya. It has AA status. Chinese built the status because they believe that Guanyan protects Sanya from flooding. According to the Chinese, after construction of statue, Sanya does not flood. Our tour guide told us fireworks were officially banned in Hainan due to its eco-friendly status, but reality was a bit different. Fireworks lit up the sky everywhere, and even with a strong police presence.